Hello and welcome to Woodbridge, the best town around. My name is John McCormick. I'm the mayor of this great town, and we're here today at the Health Center near the Woodbridge Library, Woodbridge High School, for the annual Mayor's Expo 2017. With me is Dennis Green, our health director, and Dennis, it's a little early, but already a big crowd.
Yeah, absolutely, Mayor. The Health Expo is the third Saturday of every October. And what we do is we bring organizations from around the area, anything related to health, whether it's a pharmacist, doctors, hospitals, what have you. They come, they participate. A lot of them do free screenings. If you want your blood pressure taken, if you want your blood glucose taken, those types of things, come. Every year we do it the third Saturday in October, and most of it's free. The only thing that's a small charge is the blood screenings, which we also do here at the Health Center. A lot of organizations come, free health information. We really get a nice crowd, and a lot of people love to come and get the free screenings.
Now, we don't have a hospital in town, but all the hospitals that surround us are here.
Right, absolutely. So we have JFK, we have Raritan Bay, which is Meridian, JFK, and Rahway. Robert Wood Johnson at Rahway. So they all like to participate. They come, they provide free screenings for the residents and give a lot of excellent health information.
And it gets a chance to show off all the township services, because you've got the service on aging, you've got the senior people, you've got the busing people, you've got the community center people. Everybody's here to give us an idea about, for when it comes to health, what does the township itself offer?
Excellent point, Mayor. So yeah, we bring all the divisions of the health department here today. They all participate. All the employees come, donate their time. We have senior transportation, multi-services, all the senior centers, youth center, all the health inspectors are here, the nurses, social workers, they all come and participate. So if you have any questions about any of the services the health department provides, you can get that information here today. People are here to talk to you, give you information, and answer your questions.
That gives us a chance to talk and do a quick commercial. We've always had Evergreen since as far as I've been involved in the town. We opened up Sycamore Senior Center in Port Reading 2 years ago. We now have purchased the Island American Legion. We'll be opening up the 5 branches senior center next year. And we also have purchased the Ford's First Aid Squad. We'll be opening up the Hickory Senior Center next year. So by the end of next year, we'll have 4 different senior centers in 4 different sections of town. So there'll be something for everybody. Any day of the week they want to go someplace, they'll have the opportunity.
Terrific. Yeah, we're really looking forward to integrating those 2 new senior centers into our existing 2 senior centers. And we're going to bring the same services to all those senior centers and add whatever flavor that those senior centers want to add, and any additional things that they have interest in, we're definitely going to try to bring to them and give them those opportunities and experiences.
And a quick commercial for senior transportation. We got a couple of buses. We started taking people to the social visits, like the concerts, the farmers market, things like that. But now we're expanding it, and we're going to start taking people to doctor visits and to shopping visits and those kind of things that the county used to do. We're going to take it over because it's been a pretty good, successful rollout and experiment, and we're going to expand it.
Yeah, correct, Mayor. We're really excited about the senior transportation program. What we're going to do is, beginning in January, we're going to start doing the shopping and the grocery shopping, and as well as medical appointments. We already do a lot of, like you said, the social events. A lot of people were participating in the concerts, coming to the concerts at night, so we're able to transport them and bring them there. So we're really looking forward to expanding that and bringing their service to all the senior centers also.
So good luck the rest of today. You'll book out with Samantha, and let you interview some of the people, see what they're doing here, and give them a chance to talk about their services that they provide.
Terrific. Thank you, Mayor. Thanks for coming.
For watching.
Okay, so we're here at the JAG table with Shelton. Shelton, tell us why you're here.
So I'm with JAG Physical Therapy. We're a privately owned physical therapy company with 17 locations now, 13 in Jersey, 4 in New York. I'm here representing the JAG in Woodbridge, right on 10 Woodbridge Center Drive. You can get in there using the community center parking lot as well. So we're close by. We take all major insurances. If you guys have any aches and pains, we treat it all.
Okay, great. So if people have some issues, maybe with muscles or joints or things like that, they can get either a prescription. Can they come without a prescription or no?
So with some plans, you can come without a prescription, but usually within the first few visits, we try to get that prescription in so that you can get taken care of after those few visits. Because you don't want to mess around with insurance after that.
So what, like in the first visit, what they do a little evaluation?
Yes, that's the longest visit you're going to have is the evaluation, because we pretty much ask you what's going on, tell you from past history what might be going on, and from there try to get a plan of attack from there.
Okay, great. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Okay, so we're here at the medicine shop table, and we're here with
Amy.
And Amy, are you a registered pharmacist?
No, I'm just a pharmacy technician.
Okay, great. So thanks for coming today. So tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
Well, we're here to obviously support the community. We do have a free vitamin program that I'm not sure if everyone knows about. For kids 2 to 12, they can get a free 30-day supply of vitamins every month. We also have it for seniors 50 and over. It's for Woodbridge residents, and they just have to come in and sign up. There's no obligation. You can stay with the pharmacy you go to. We just do this as a service for the community. We also do a diabetic testing machine program with free maintenance for your diabetic testing machine, and I think that's it. We support Generation RX, which is about maintaining your medications, getting rid of expired medications, making sure that you're aware of what you have. A lot of kids are getting into their parents' medications or their grandparents' medications and experimenting with things that they really shouldn't be taking. So it's part of, the war on prescription medications, making sure it stays in the right hands.
Okay. Well, great. That was great information. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Hi, and we're here with Courtney from Davido Dialysis. Courtney, tell us a little bit about why you're here.
Hi, yeah, so I'm here with Davido and with Kidney Smart to talk about our operation at Davido, where we promote kidney-friendly diets. So here we offer Kidney Smart, which is an education program aimed to prevent the onset of the need of dialysis. So we're here with popcorn and some Rice Krispie treats to show some of these kidney-friendly snacks, and then also to give out information about the different facilities and about our education program. Thanks.
And so the idea is that we can change our diet and we can help prevent the onset of kidney failure?
Yeah, absolutely, sure.
Great, and you're here to provide some information on how we can do that.
Exactly, yep, some resources and some examples.
Great, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
So we're here with the Hackensack Meridian Health Raritan Bay Medical Center facility table. So we're here with
Michelle Golbanoric.
Rebecca Fisher.
Jerome Del Rosario.
Okay, Michelle, tell us a little bit about why you're here.
Okay, what we're here doing today is we're doing bone density screenings offered to the community through Hackensack Meridian Health. For Hackensack Meridian Health Raritan Bay Medical Center, we're doing hands-only CPR. We have information about our free baby care classes and CPR classes, along with other services that Rebecca and Jerome will tell you about at Raritan Bay Medical Center.
Okay, great, and that's a nice handoff. So Rebecca, tell us a little bit about why you're here.
I'm here with the Center for Balance. We do screening for dizziness, vertigo, balance disorders, and we also do testing at the hospital to help diagnose these disorders. It's called a video nystagmography, or VNG, ENG for short.
Okay, great. And Jerome's also here. And Jerome, what's your specialty?
I'm with the physical therapy department for Raritan Bay, and then after Rebecca's done with the patients, and the patient gets referred to physical therapy for balance, and then we start treating them from there. And not only that, we also do orthopedic and sports cases too after their post-surgical treatments or any regular low back pain patients, and we try to treat them too.
Okay, well, great. Thanks for your information. It seems like we try to bring all the different divisions and specialties together to provide one, complete and wholesome treatment for the patient. Terrific. Thanks for coming, guys. Appreciate it. Okay, and we're here with Terry Maines from the Middlesex County Office of Public Health Services. Terry, tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
I'm here because I love the opportunity to reach out to the community and talk about things that they may be able to do to increase the improvement in their well-being just by prevention activities. We have this really nice display board right here, the heart disease risk factors, and you can just see that there's a bunch of risks that we can't control, like age and gender, but there are plenty of things that we can, whether we smoke, if we take care of our diet in such a way to improve our cholesterol or blood pressure, body weight, all that kind of stuff, and this would put our risk at a different level. And that's really important for people to be able to know what their risk is and know where the risk is in particular. And then if they find out that maybe it's linked to things like blood pressure and cholesterol, diabetes, whatever, things that you can maybe control in part by nutrition, we often have a lot of different kinds of materials, like a cookbook for deliciously healthy dinners, or here's one that's in English and Spanish, so it's a great way to learn Spanish or to serve people who may speak Spanish anyway. And we also give out brochures to encourage people. This is not about nutrition, but about our cancer education programs called SEED, Cancer Education Early Detection. These are free clinics that are available to all members of our community and actually throughout the state. I don't mean just in Woodbridge, but throughout Middlesex County and throughout the state. Free services that are available if people qualify. So we're here to just give out opportunity and to give people the chance to improve their well-being.
Great. So if they have any questions, they can come in to your table and ask. And I'm sure a lot of people are very surprised to find that there's so many different things and factors that really can affect their health besides diet.
Oh, for sure. Of course, fitness and how we take care of our issues, even if we know that we have a problem. So, for example, one of the things that I want to share with you is that we're going to be doing a program called Diabetes Self-Management. It's going to be at the Sycamore Senior Center starting November 2nd, and another one for people who may have been affected by cancer. That's going to be starting in Evergreen Senior Center, also starting in the next week. On November 1st. So these are programs that you can also learn to manage conditions through your own self-management, learning skills and developing that in a way that hopefully can make you feel more in control of your well-being.
Terrific. We really appreciate that you bring these programs to Woodbridge Township. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.
Okay, and at this table we're here with Tom and Chuck from the Woodbridge Township
Woodbridge Fire Department.
There you go.
Fire
See, they know better than I do. They should, right? They work there. So, tell us a little bit about why you guys are here.
We're just here today to pretty much promote fire safety, give all the residents some tips about how to stay fire safe and prevent fires. Also answer any questions the residents will have about smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, their placement, fire extinguishers, and we have some giveaways with all that information included.
Okay, so it's really all about fire safety today. Do you have anything to add?
Well, this is Fire Safety Month in October, and in next month when you change your clocks, change your smoke detector batteries too.
Terrific. Good tips. Thanks you guys for coming.
Thank you guys.
And we're here with Ariana from Kinder Pediatric Urgent Care. So tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
So I'm marketing for my urgent care. I work there. We're open 7 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 12 p.m. to 11 p.m. So we have long hours, Sunday 10 to 11, starting November. We take patients between the age of newborn to age 21, and we accept all insurance and Medicaid.
Okay. And where are you guys located?
530 Green Street in Island.
Great. And so you have some little information. So if people come, you can share some information about what you guys do, and I guess about different emergencies and things like that you would treat.
We have pediatric ER doctors on staff at all times. We usually have 2 providers on at the same time, so we can get patients in and out quickly. Let's see. We do flu shots, rapid strep testing, mono testing, blood work, everything like that. We do x-rays as well.
Terrific. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you.
And so we're here with Lisa from Excel Urgent Care. Lisa, Tell us a little bit about your organization and why you're here today.
So we're XR Urgent Care located on Route 1, and we're open 7 days a week. We're in urgent care where we do x-rays, any suturing. If you can't get in to see your doctor, you can come and see us. We're open 7 days a week, weekends 9 to 4, and we're here for the community.
Okay. And your target population is adults?
Is adults, yes.
Great.
Leave the kids to the peds.
Terrific. Okay, thank you. And you have a little information here and some giveaways for people who are participating in the expo today?
Absolutely. We have a couple of hand sanitizers, first aid kits to put on your keychain, and things to give out.
Okay, terrific. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, and so we're here with Nicholas from the Woodbridge Community Center. Nicholas, tell us a little bit about why you're here at the expo today.
Right now, we're here to promote the health and such from the Woodbridge Community Center. To give you an example, I'm one of the personal trainers there, and as a member of our community center, you get a 15% discount on all of our fitness classes, which come free with your membership. And if you wanted to ever stop by, we're a very family-oriented place. We're a staple of the township. So come by. We have tons of different activities for all ages.
Okay, it's great. Thanks for coming today, Nicholas.
All right, my pleasure.
Okay, we're here with Karen from the JFK Breast Center. Karen, tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
Okay, we're here for breast education. Of course, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, but it's just to give a little bit of education about the breast, that it's important to check your breasts, go for your mammogram. It really makes a difference if you catch something early. And just for people to be aware of what's going on, and that JFK uses this little pink pad for their mammogram, so we make it a little bit more comfortable. We do biopsies there, MRIs, ultrasounds.
So terrific. So you're here to answer any questions, provide information, and just basically promote breast cancer awareness and promote screening, correct?
Correct. And we do have the 3D mammogram at JFK, which is starting to become more of the norm, which is really very important development for women with dense breasts, meaning it's harder to see through your breast. Picks up cancer a lot earlier.
Okay. Terrific. Thanks for coming today.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
And at this table, we're here with April and Nadia from the Woodbridge Public Library. Can you ladies tell us a little bit about why you're here today?
Hi, thank you for having us here today. We're here to promote the services and the products that the Woodbridge Library offers for free. You can come check us out over main libraries right over there across from the health center, or look us up online at www.woodbridgelibrary.org.
Okay, great. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, we have like free programs, free activities for adults and children and teens. So you can stop in any time.
Okay. Terrific. Now, I know you guys get a good participation, especially with the children's programs, because you're right next to the health center. So I see when you guys have those programs, how a lot of people come and participate.
Definitely.
Anything you want to add, though?
Yeah, we just love to see the community. We love to talk to people, and just please let us know what you want to see at the library.
Okay, great. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
And at this table, we're here with Dr. Danish Quadri. He's an oral surgeon, and he's here to do some oral screenings. And tell us a little bit about why you're here today, Doc.
I am here to provide oral cancer screenings. Just to clarify, I'm a general dentist, so in case any oral surgeons are out there, please don't get upset.
My fault.
We're doing full oral cancer screenings, as well as like some simplified dental checkups for people who don't have insurance, or they just have a question about their mouth that they didn't have a chance to ask their dentist. This is my staff. This is Rajdeep, our hygienist, Kathy, one of our assistants, and this is Clara, our front desk and also assistant. So we're here pretty much almost every year, except we miss a couple here and there, but we try to give back to Woodbridge when we can.
We really appreciate you coming. I know you've been here a bunch of times. Tell us a little bit about the screenings. What do they involve?
So what we're doing is doing a quick head and neck exam. We're looking for any lumps, bumps, things that shouldn't be there. We look for any red spots, white spots, sores that are not healing, anything that kind of feels out of the ordinary that it's hard to sometimes say what it is, but you'll know when you see it. And then we're looking for just general other things like infections or other issues that might be going on in their mouth.
Terrific. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you donating your time and your staff.
Take care. Have a great time. We'll see you next year.
Thanks. Thanks, ladies. Okay, and at this table we're here with Sharon. Sharon works for the Woodbridge Health Department. She's here at the blood lab testing registration table. Sharon, tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
Okay, we're here today. We have a low-cost blood screening for people. They can pre-register, and I thank these ladies here. They helped us out here. What else was I saying?
That's good. So you're also here with Jody's helping out and Diane's helping out. So thank you, ladies, for helping out. And so basically what they do is they actually register people who want to have their blood tested. And there's different tests. There's a general, what they call a SMAC test, and some other more specialized tests. And you pre-register by calling the health department at 732-855-0600 at least a couple weeks beforehand. Then we have a blood lab come in, and they draw the blood, and you get the results within a week or so. Okay, and we're here with Kathy from Wegmans. Wegmans is here with a free food demonstration. Kathy, tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
Okay, we're here to promote healthy eating, and we are promoting one of our newest products. It's our purees, and we're featuring our cauliflower puree, and we've made a delicious cauli corn chowder out of it. So it looks like it's cream, but it's not. It's just the puree. It's vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, very, very healthy, and we do have some other recipes that you can use with the different purees.
Well, terrific. It looks delicious. Now, how has the response been from the participants who have tasted it?
At first, they're leery because they're like, oh, I don't know. And once they try it, they're like, oh, my God, this is really good. So it just shows you that eating healthy is delicious.
Terrific. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you so much.
So we're here with Michelle Morgan from the Division of Multi-Services, the Division of the Health Department, and Allison. Michelle, tell us a little bit about why you're here today and what information you have.
So we are here today because we want to share with the seniors of our community the services that our township has to offer to all the seniors. Most importantly, it is currently the annual enrollment period for any Medicare beneficiary. It is the home energy assistance to help seniors with their utility bills. We are social workers, and we make home visits. We accept office visits. We are there to promote independence and quality of life for the seniors in our community.
Okay. And so you're a social worker, right? And Allison's a social worker. And so we have a couple other social workers, right?
That is correct. So we have Allison, we have Melissa Krublet, Julie Hackler, and so we're staffed with 4 geriatric social workers. And again, to promote independence and mobility, our goal is so that our seniors can live independently at home and safely.
Okay. And Multi-Services is located in the Evergreen Senior Center in Colonia, correct?
That is correct, right on Inman Avenue, right inside the Evergreen Senior Center.
Okay. So if you're looking for information for seniors and assistance with seniors, you can reach them at the Evergreen Senior Center or call the Health Department main number 732-855-0600, and we'll put you in contact with the social worker.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, girls. Thank you. And we're here with Diane from the Division of Senior Transportation. Diane, tell us a little bit about why you're here and where you guys are located.
Well, we are located in the Evergreen Center, which is located at 400 Inman Avenue in Colonia, and we offer free transportation to our local township seniors between their home and either of the senior centers, as well as the Woodbridge Community Center and the main library, curb to curb.
Great, so terrific. So if a senior's out there watching now and they would like to utilize our services, how would they contact you?
They can contact me between 8 and 4 at 732-726-2394. We'll get them started with a registration, get them an account number, and they can call 24 hours ahead of time, and we can schedule them for pickup and drop-off.
Thanks. And the services is free, correct?
It is free.
Okay, great. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you.
Okay, and at this table we're here with Pauline from the Evergreen Senior Center. Pauline, tell us a little bit about the Senior Center.
Well, Evergreen is a very active senior center in the township. We're located in Colonia. We have all kinds of activities for our members. They do Tai Chi, Zumba, line dancing, puzzles, train dominoes. We go on trips once a month to Atlantic City. We have an upcoming trip to the Royal Manor for a tribute to Fats Domino and Chubby Checker. We're going to have our holiday party coming up too. It's very fun, very lively. So if you're over 60 in the township and would like to join, just come on in and see us.
Terrific. So it sounds like a lot of activities. We're very active at the center. How do we register? If you're a senior out there and you want to participate, how do you register?
Absolutely. Just come on in, bring your photo ID or your township ID, and we'll sign you up. Just a simple piece of paper, and you're good to go. We give you a scan card, so when you come in the building, you check in, and you go enjoy everything that we have to offer.
Terrific. Thanks, Pauline.
Thank you.
And now we're here with Liz from the Sycamore Senior Center. So we have two senior centers in town. I just interviewed Pauline from the Evergreen Senior Center, and now we're with Liz from the Sycamore Senior Center. So Liz, give us a little information about the Sycamore Senior Center.
So we are located in Port Reading. We are one of the, like you said, the newer facility. We have a lot going on. One of our biggest activities is actually bingo. So we do a lot of bingo there. We do movies every month as well as parties once a month. We have a Thanksgiving luncheon coming up. The seniors love it. It's food and dancing. We do a lot of fitness classes, and we're looking to build a little more as time goes on.
Terrific. So if someone wanted to join the Sycamore Senior Center, how would they go about doing that?
They can come into the center. If they live in Woodbridge Township, there's no charge. They come in and fill out a form, and they can even call us, and we can talk to them about everything that we do, and then they can just come in for whatever they like.
Terrific. And there's also the senior transportation also can serve the Sycamore Senior Center, correct?
Correct. So the bus comes and drops them off and picks them up if they can't drive or get there, and they can come for all the activities, and we make it work.
So there's no excuse.
Nope, they got to come out.
Thanks, Liz.
Thank you.
So I'm here with Anthony from the Environmental Division. Anthony is one of the inspectors for the division. Anthony is one of our new inspectors. Anthony, give us a little information about why you're here today at the Health Expo.
Well, we're here to show things about the disease control, disease transmission, anything involved in the environmental side of things. The Environmental Division will handle things that are public health nuisances, per se. And anything from Lyme disease, mold control, remediation, anything like that, it's important. So we try to do that, just give the public some information in regards to that. And then, yeah.
Terrific. Thanks for coming today, Anthony.
Thank you very much, Dan.
Okay, so we're here in the nursing division. The nursing division is here today to do blood pressures and flu shots. And I'm going to ask Mary to give us a little information about the nursing division and introduce her staff.
Hi, my name is Mary Cerullo. I'm a nurse here in the Woodbridge Township Health Department. This is my nurse, Anna Munn, and our secretary, Lorraine. We do early childhood wellness visits where they get their immunizations updated. We do school-age immunizations and physicals. We do flu shots in October through March. We do the blood pressures for seniors.
And you forgot the STD clinics.
I didn't know if I was supposed to say that.
This is adult rated. But today, no STD clinics today. So we're doing flu shots today and blood pressures here in the nursing division. So what's the importance of the blood pressure checks?
Hypertension, to see if they have heart disease, early heart disease, or dietary, exercise. We like to maintain certain blood pressures, and we keep an eye on them. They also go to their doctors, but in between, we will take the seniors' blood pressures and let them know if there's any changes.
Terrific. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And now we're here with Dr. Karen Vardero from the Robert Wood Johnson St. Barnabas Healthcare System. Tell us why you're here today.
I'm an audiologist at Robert Wood. I've been there for about 17 years, and part of my responsibility is to come into the community and let people know about our services. And coming to a health fair like today is a great opportunity to screen someone's hearing, educate them a little bit, and make them more aware of their health needs.
Okay, terrific. So what does the screening entail?
It's pretty simple. I first like to do an otoscopic exam. I look into a patient's ears, and I let them know what I see as far as wax or clarity. And then I administer a very simple hearing screen where I present a couple of tones at a threshold level, and it's a pass-refer. I don't like to say fail. Pass means you heard all my sounds. Refer means you need a little bit more attention.
Okay, terrific. Thanks for coming today. We appreciate you volunteering your time.
Oh, my pleasure.
So we're here with paramcare. Paramcare is doing skin cancer screenings here at the health center. So introduce yourself.
Myself, Nandish. I'm here to represent the Paramcare Foundation. Paramcare Foundation is a 501c3 non-profit organization. Mainly, we are working for the wellness outreach activities, chronic disease self-management programs, and qualitative research services, research projects in terms of the focus groups. We are very highly working with wellness activities, healthy lifestyles, as well as how to prevent the chronic disease through the herbal lifestyles and holistic counseling. So we do provide that. We are here with my team. It's Ashok Kakkar and Manisha Pathak. Please, I'll speak with Manisha to introduce yourself.
Terrific. We really appreciate you guys participating today. So what would you like to share with us?
Hi. Thank you for having us in here. We are Param Healthcare team. I'm a registered nurse at Param Healthcare. The approach here is holistic. We want to maintain the education continuously throughoutly. It's not about just having a disease, but how to control, how to manage, and how to educate it throughout. Because what happens is when you come to know, sometimes what happens has been already passed through and it's been done and did the damage. So the idea is to educate throughout the community from youngest to the oldest. Param Care, along with the Param Healthcare, adult care, Ayurveda, we believe in holistic approach. The idea for us being in here is to maintain socially, emotionally, mentally wellness. So all the things we do starts from the head to toe approach to how to manage and to stay within. And also I want to tell that Param Care is using 100% all the chemical-free products. So if anyone likes to get the massage, Ayurveda, all this thing is chemical-free. And the idea for us to spread out in community and educate is to have people aware of what are the things out there that can damage you and to understand. And then you go from there to introduce your family and well-being for others.
Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you for participating in that information. So paramcare is really all about holistic, and they're here to give information about how holistic can help them in their health. If paramcare is located where and how could they reach them?
Paramcare is located in Islin, right next to the Social Security office. You can call us 732-404-1415. My extension is 5117. Stop by anytime. We would love to hear. We would love to have anyone coming in there. And my team is always there to help out in every area. We also have education institute. So anyone wants to learn something, we have education institute right there in the same building. And courses are running in the daytime, evenings, and weekends. So everyone's needs are satisfied. They want to help them with the family's social well-being too. So you can just come in. That's the best thing. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5:30.
Terrific. Thank you. Thank you for participating today. Okay, so we're here with Gil Kutcher from the Woodbridge Lions Club. The Woodbridge Lions Club, and they're here doing eye screenings. Tell us a little bit about the type of eye screenings you're doing here today, Gil.
Well, we have a machine. We call it a camera, but it really is a scientific instrument. Takes a picture of your eyeballs and comes back with a complete diagnostic report. If everything's in range, we know that. Anything that's out of range, we print it out for you that you can take it to your ophthalmologist and have that confirmed and have it corrected. We've been doing this for a couple of years now. The Lions Club's been here in Woodbridge since 1947. This is our 70th year, I think, and this is the 100th year of Lions International. But we love to do this, and we're going to expand it throughout the township. And if you need this, call me. It's Gil Kuchar. You can get me at home, 732-417-1233, any organization, and we'll see what we can do about making an arrangement to come and do for your people.
Terrific. So tell us a little bit about how this screening takes place. Is it quick? Is it fast? Is it,
It is very fast. We put some very peripheral information into the machine. It takes the picture, and then we can just remotely print it here. And the only problem we have with the machine is those that are in their more senior years, usually above 60, maybe it works and maybe not. If your pupils don't dilate enough, the machine will not take it just won't work. So we can't do anything about that. But other than that, the whole procedure, it takes longer to get the printout to come out of the printer than it does to do it. It's very, very fast. Non-contact, we're about 3 feet away. We're good with little children. Sometimes we have them sit on mommy or daddy's lap, and we can take those from about 6 months, a year on, up to senior years. It's a wonderful piece of equipment that we have to use, and we don't use it enough. So if you have an organization that needs us, please call or call the health department. Dennis can get in touch with us at any time as well.
Great. Terrific. Thanks, Gil, and thanks for coming today.
Okay, it's our pleasure to be here.
So this is Dennis Green for the Woodbridge Health Department. We're closing out our 2017 Woodbridge Public Health Annual Health Expo. I'm here with Councilman Ficarra and Councilman DeJesus. I'm sure they're going to want to say a word or two, but what I'd like to say is I'd like to encourage everyone to come to the Health Expo. It's always held on the third Saturday of October, 9 to 12. We have a lot of health organizations here, from hospitals to pharmacists to local doctors. They come participate, give free health screenings and information. So if you didn't make it here this year, please come next year and participate and take advantage of all the things we have to offer here. Councilman Ficarra, would you like to say something?
Yeah, I just think that besides the fact that today is an absolutely gorgeous day, it's October and we're in shorts and T-shirts, but a day like today allows the citizens of Woodbridge to come into our health center and actually see the programs that we offer, not just today, but every day. Director Green talked about some of the other opportunities that are here, county services, state services, but they are the people that can steer you in the right direction with anything related to health. So obviously, if you're watching this on TV, you may not have made it here today, but this facility is open up Monday through Friday, many Saturdays with all kinds of services. Stop by, ask some questions. It's all about your health, and these are services that we provide for you. So come out and take advantage of it. Councilwoman DeJesus, anything to add?
I just think it's a great event, and it's one of the many great things that Woodbridge Township does for its residents. And like Greg said, it's a great way to get information, ask questions if you have questions. I had my blood pressure done, which I hadn't done in a long time. So it's just, it's not only for adults, but there's also children's services here and a lot of information for children's health issues. So if you forgot to come today, always remember the third Saturday of every October. It's Public Health Day, so just come out to the health center with any concerns that you may have.
Great. Director, I guess you can wrap it up.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. I'm Dennis Green for the Woodbridge Health Department, and try to catch us next year if you couldn't make it this year. Thanks.